If you understand this, people will naturally want to be around you, and this video will show you exactly how to make that happen. First, ask them for a favor. It's called the Ben Franklin effect. When someone helps you, their brain justifies it by thinking, I helped them, so I must like them. Be competent, then show a weakness. This is the Pratfall Effect. People like those who are skilled but human. So focus on the first impression and then let a small mistake show. Mirror their energy, not their words. So instead of copying their body language, match their emotional vibe, like calm, energetic, or curious. Create we moments. Find common ground, like a shared struggle, a passion, or an inside joke, to build trust. And when everyone else is anxious or reactive, be the one who stays calm. People are attracted to confidence. Show real interest in others, ask meaningful questions, and listen actively. Good luck!